Namaste students, welcome back in RSV group of schools on YouTube channel. Myself Sarita Binani, I am your maths teacher, class 5th, subject maths, chapter 2, part 4, because we have already done 3 operations in this chapter because name of the chapter is 4 operations. So we have already covered first addition, second subtraction and third one multiplication. So today I am going to explain part 4 division. What do you mean by division, children? You know very well, division means we have to divide the things into groups, equal part of the things. Okay, so define of the division is divide into equal groups, or we can say that one more thing, repeated subtraction means if I have 10 chocolates and I have to divide into 5 students, so I will make 2 group of the topics. Okay, so see children, division is we can say that it is a repeated subtraction, or we can say that divide the things into equal groups. Now some properties of divisions are there, so keep in mind and always be remember that properties of division is very important. My first property, any numbers divided by itself gives 1. Listen carefully, if given any number and it is divided by itself. What do you mean by itself? The number itself. So see children, the number is divided by itself, result is always come 1. Why? We already learned in a table like that 2 1 जा 2 means 2 जो है अब 2 से divide करते हैं तो we will get 1. Okay. Now move to the second one. Second property, what is the second property? Any number divided by 1 means any number. If we divide by 1, we get the number itself. Means 2 1 ja 2. 1 ja. So same that if I divide the number by 1, I get the number itself. See, 8275 is divided by 1. So how many times we will read the table of 1? 8275. So we can say that any number divided by 1, result should be the number itself or given number. Okay children. Now move to the third part, 0. You know 0 means nil. 0 divided by any number, result is 0. See children, keep in mind that 0 is a numerator. 0 is divided by any number, result will be 0. Look, 0 divided by 2434, because 0 is there, nothing is there, so if we divide by any number, result will be always 0. Understood? Now move to the fourth. This is very important property. Children see, 0 can be numerator but 0 cannot be denominator. Means 0 कभी भी divisor नहीं हो सकता. 0 can't be divided to anything because 0 is a 0. So my fourth part, a number cannot be divided by 0. Understood? Why? If we give the divide to any given number by 0, what will happen? It is happen not defined. Means we don't know what will be the answer. So we can say that 0 cannot be divided to any equal number, any given number. So this is my important property. 0 can be numerator but 0 cannot be denominator. Understood beta? Yes children, we have studied about the division and all the properties of division. Now see, division by numbers ending with 0 means if we divide to any number by 0, or we can say that the number divided by the multiple of 10 means 10, 100, 1000 like that. Okay. So how do we divide? See children, this number is called dividend. What do you mean by dividend? Dividend is a number that should be divided into groups. Understood? So this is a dividend and this is a divisor. Divisor means this is a divisor. 100 is a divisor. After that, remainder and quotient. So see children, if we divide this number by 100, we will get quotient and remainder. This is a very small thing. We will keep in mind that if we divide any number by the multiple of 100, directly we can find out the quotient. How? See, how many zeros are there? 1 and 2. So from the last one means ones and tens. these two digits should be the remainder. So we can say that 48 is my remainder, and after that remaining all the digits should be the quotient. Understood, children? So how can I check? How I check? So I get the dividend. So please check. This is the formula for the checking of the division. In bracket, quotient should be multiplied to the divisor, then add with the remainder. So we will get our dividend. Let's check quotient. What do you mean by quotient? 6250 is my quotient, and divisor. Divisor is my 100. Okay. So after that remainder. Remainder is my 48. See children, if I multiply this number to 100, I will get 625,000 plus 48. So see, my answer is 625,048. See children, this is my already dividend, and I will get after the checking also. So in this manner we can check our division is correct or wrong. Now see children, one more example. If any number is given this one in this form, and see if the ones and tens both the places are 0, and we will divide it by the 100. So how can we divide? Without any calculation we can say that zeros can be cancelled out. So how many zeros are there? 2. And how many zeros are? 2. So we can divide by the cancellation. So I will get my quotient 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 3. And remainder, because there is no remainder, because 0 and 0 both are cancelled, so the remainder is 0. Understood? So we will know about the division by the given any number. Already we have calculated. After that we have explained that division by the 100, 1000, 10, any. Understood children? So this is my fourth operation. It is completed. I think so this chapter is completed because all the 4 operations I have covered. Namaste. Thank you.